Hello paparazzi! Today we're going to talk about how to create a shipping station when you have limited space and it's something portable where you can move it from room to room. So what I did is I went to my local IKEA store and purchased this little rolling cart. So you can see it has 3 layers, 1, 2, and 3. Really simple. It's great, and we're going to break down how I set up this rolling shipping station. In the top portion of our portable shipping station, what we did is we purchased 4 of these small little bins. You can get them at your local big box store. Usually they are 2 to 4 for a pack for like $1, so it's really inexpensive. And we set up 4, so we have 2 here and 2 here. Works perfectly, fits nicely. And what we did is on each one we have a different item. This one will have our little plastic jewelry pouches. This one we put our organza bags. In this one we put the cards that came off the carts, and we'll look at those here in just a second. And in this one we put the paper clips, and so everything is right here on the top, easily accessible and great to be able to get to really quickly whenever you're working on packaging. The next thing we did is in our next 2 sections we broke it up into the size of our packaging. So we put priority labels, which everything that you ship that is over it's going to be 16 ounces, which is 1 pound or above, is going to go in a priority mailer. If it's 15.9 ounces, it can go in these smaller mailers. So I've got an 8.5 by 12 inch mailer on this side, and then on the bottom portion we have our 6 by 10 inch mailers. There's lots of different sizes you can get. You can get 4 by 6s for some that are a little bit smaller, but what happens is these bottom sections really do work perfectly to organize those different size mailers. If you had a smaller mailer, you can even add it here at the bottom. So it creates a really neat, very small footprint for your shipping station to have these little rolling carts. You can find these at your local IKEA. Also, I've seen them in the craft stores as well. So they're not very expensive. I think this one was $25 at our local IKEA store. So here is a easy way to have your rolling shipping station, and we're going to look at how we kind of work through a package when we get it ready for shipping. So now we're going to talk about how to prep a package. Once our packages are ready to be shipped, what we're going to do is we're going to get the cart, however you have your jewelry. It could be in a little plastic cart. Mine is on a hanger, so I use these little medical bags. It's organized by alphabet, which is easy for me, but it doesn't matter how you have it set up, however works best for you. And then we're going to judge what size envelope we're going to need. This is not a big order, so the 6 by 10 will work perfectly for this one. So we're going to grab all of our pieces and go ahead and put it inside of our bubble mailer, and then we're going to pull our tint card out, put it over the lid, and then we're going to get a little paper clip and we're going to paper clip it to the top. We'll go through all of our paid carts and that are ready to be shipped, and we're going to just put these in a little box, again ready to go. When I'm ready to take this and actually run the label, we're going to take the paper clip off. It'll go back into the shipping station. We'll take the tint card off. It'll go back into the shipping station, and then this is ready for printing. So very easy. It's a small footprint to get your shipping materials ready, and it is portable. You can buy these at your local craft store as well as IKEA. So hopefully that was a helpful tip for you. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and trainings. God bless you and have a great rest of your day.